A healthy breakfast gives you energy that lasts and helps you stay full for a long time. A good breakfast usually has plenty of fiber, protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. Many store-bought breakfast foods are full of sugar, processed carbs, and chemicals. Instead, why not choose whole foods that are rich in nutrients? In today's video, we're diving into the top nutritious ingredients and why they're perfect for jump-starting your morning. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is important for building and maintaining muscles. They can also help you feel full for longer. A 2020 study found that people who ate eggs and toast for breakfast felt less hungry than those who had bran cereal with milk and orange juice. This suggests that a higher protein intake, 25 grams from eggs versus 11 grams from cereal, helps keep you satisfied. The egg group also ate fewer calories at lunch, showing that eggs can help with feeling full. In addition to being a great source of protein, eggs are packed with essential nutrients. The yolk contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that promote eye health and may benefit your skin, liver, and heart. Eggs are also rich in choline, which supports brain and liver function, along with B vitamins like folate, vitamin A, and important minerals such as iron and calcium. Pair eggs with other healthy foods like whole grain toast, fresh fruit, or sautéed vegetables for a balanced meal. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Greek yogurt is made by straining out the liquid from milk curds, which makes it thicker and higher in protein than regular yogurt. It also lowers in calories than many other protein sources. A 5.3-ounce serving has 15 grams of protein and only 92 calories. Greek yogurt is a nutritious powerhouse, offering a variety of essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of calcium for strong bones, vitamin B12 for energy and brain function, zinc for immune support, potassium for heart health, and phosphorus, which plays a role in bone health and energy production. Some types of Greek yogurt contain probiotics, like bifidobacteria, which help with digestion. To make sure your yogurt has probiotics, check the label for live and active cultures. For a creamier, higher protein alternative, try Icelandic yogurt, known as skyr. It's rich in protein and has a thicker texture. For an extra health boost, enjoy plain Greek yogurt with berries or other fruits to enhance its prebiotic and probiotic benefits. Coffee contains caffeine, which helps you feel alert and boosts both physical and mental performance. It also has polyphenols, which are antioxidants with anti-inflammatory benefits. Studies suggest that it's safe for most adults to drink up to 4 cups of coffee daily or up to 400 milligrams of caffeine. During pregnancy, it's best to limit caffeine to no more than 200 milligrams per day, as higher amounts may increase health risks. For a healthier option, drink your coffee black or with dairy or plant-based milk. Try to avoid adding sugar and flavored syrups or use them in small amounts, as too much sugar can be harmful to your health. Oatmeal is made from rolled or steel-cut oats and contains a soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which can help lower cholesterol and glucose levels. It also has antioxidant and prebiotic properties. Oats help you feel full for longer, reducing the urge to snack mid-morning. Oats are a nutrient-packed superfood, providing essential minerals and vitamins. They are rich in iron for healthy blood, B vitamins for energy production, and manganese for bone health. Oats also offer magnesium for muscle function, zinc for immune support, and selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells. A cup of dry oats has about 10 grams of protein. To increase protein, make your oatmeal with milk instead of water, add protein powder, or serve it with eggs. You can also make homemade muesli by mixing raw oats with dried fruit, nuts, seeds, coconut, and other ingredients. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber. 1 ounce of dried chia seeds contains nearly 10 grams of fiber. This fiber is soluble, meaning it absorbs water and helps increase the volume of food in your digestive system, making you feel full for longer. The nutrients in chia seeds may help with several health benefits, including managing glucose levels, lowering cholesterol, and reducing inflammation. Their high fiber content aids in blood sugar control, while omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants support heart health and reduce inflammation. Low-fat cottage cheese is a high-protein breakfast option, offering 24 grams of protein per cup, 220 grams, which makes it quite filling. A 2015 study found that cottage cheese is just as satisfying as eggs. It's also low in calories, with only 180 calories per cup, which can support weight loss if that's your goal. Cottage cheese pairs wonderfully with a variety of nutritious foods to create a delicious and balanced meal. You can enjoy it with berries or peaches for a touch of sweetness, or with tomatoes and cucumbers for a savory twist. Adding chia seeds, ground flaxseed, or granola can provide extra fiber, healthy fats, and crunch, making your meal even more satisfying. Whole grain toast is rich in fiber and complex carbs, which digest slowly, helping you feel full longer and keeping blood sugar levels stable compared to white bread or pastries. Whole grain toast is a versatile base that pairs perfectly with a variety of tasty options. Try mashed egg and tomato for a savory combo, or top it with avocado and chili flakes for a spicy kick. For something sweeter, spread unsweetened peanut butter and banana, or cottage cheese and strawberries. You can also enjoy it with sliced figs and honey for a natural sweetness, or go savory with tuna, sliced turkey or chicken, or even baked beans for a filling meal. Nuts are a nutrient-dense snack packed with magnesium and potassium for muscle and heart health. They are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that help protect your cells. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber in nuts also helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. A 2022 review found that, unless you're allergic to nuts, eating a handful of nuts and seeds daily may help lower the risk of heart disease and other health issues. Since nuts are high in calories, it's important not to overeat them to avoid weight gain. For the best health benefits, choose plain nuts without added salt, sugar, or oil. If you're looking for a simple yet nutritious way to kickstart your day, this healthiest breakfast is the perfect choice. Packed with vitamins, fiber, and protein, it will fuel your body and keep you feeling energized throughout the morning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more healthy tips and recipes. Let me know in the comments how you like to start your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.